The SculptOK 3D preview feature has been fully updated. The new features are comprehensive and practical. Let's take a look. The 3D preview feature is now divided into 6 modules: base, material, double, compose, frame, and text. The base retains the previous 3D preview functions, where you can adjust various basic parameters of the relief. In material, you can now choose from various materials for effect preview, such as plastic, gray wood, brass, stone, bronze, steel, gold, clay. In double, you can upload patterns on both front and back sides. Click on double-sided relief, flip the relief, and upload images to display on both sides. If you want to carve a double-sided coin and the current base is square, you can go back to the base module and switch the base shape to circular. For the pattern, you can also click on back alignment to rotate and adjust it. Here, you can adjust the back depth of the relief. If the sides of the relief are too thick, you can lower the value by dragging the slider. At the same time, you can adjust the X and Y coordinates of the back pattern to precisely control the image position. In Compose, you can import any number of relief models, directly importing IMG STL files. Select any relief and click Base to edit its basic parameters. In Compose Gizmo mode, you could choose Move button to move the relief, choose Rotate button to rotate it, choose Scale button to scale its size, and hold the Alt while scaling to maintain proportional scaling. Additionally, you can choose Add in the Base Builder for each relief to add canvases of different shapes. This feature allows the relief to be presented better. For example, for a long piece, directly performing 3D preview, here's the effect. Because the image is too large and long, you can see that the presentation of small details is somewhat limited. But if you split it into multiple parts and then piece them together for presentation, you can see the effect is significantly improved. You can also apply this feature to various forms like comic strips, tile files, mosaic paintings. Finally, the project file will merge all reliefs into one file for export. In Frame, click Enable Frame to add a border and adjust its length and width. If you want to add a border to a circular pattern, just go back to Base. Select Circular in Base Shape, and the pattern and border will automatically convert to circular. The last is Text, where you can add text to the relief and adjust various parameters of the text. It's worth mentioning that after adjusting all parameters in all 6 modules, you can choose Save Params, which saves your presets, greatly improving efficiency, so you don't have to set them one by one for reliefs with similar parameters. Thank you for using SculptOK. Please like and follow us. Thanks.